Artificial intelligence is a marvelous invention that has made life easier for millions of people. AI has revolutionized everything, from lifestyles to interpersonal relationships to the way we do business and work. Developers have been shifting towards Golang AI development over the past decade. Golang offers unique features such as inexplicable speed, ease of debugging, and concurrency. It also boasts excellent libraries for machine learning and deep learning. These attributes make Golang the most popular programming language to implement AI in business applications, providing a robust foundation for AI development. AI applications can improve user experience, enhance financial planning, interactivity, and health accessibility. The market for AI technology is enormous, projected to reach a valuation of more than $1.8 trillion by 2030. Industries worldwide are leveraging AI to gain a competitive edge and improve efficiency. AI can enhance healthcare services, including accurate diagnosis, drug discovery, and medication management. IBM Watson is a prominent example of AI in healthcare. AI platforms like artificial intelligence for drug discovery use big data to aid in healthcare advancements, making treatments more effective. Retail customers are attracted to unique marketing strategies and patterns. AI helps customers find the most relevant products and services. AI-assisted chatbots can solve most customer questions in minutes, significantly improving the customer experience in the e-commerce and retail sectors. AI technology has enabled incredible transformations in agriculture, food, and kitchen industries. Robo-chefs and automatic food sorting are just a few examples. Intelligent tractors and plowing machines help farmers maximize crop yield potential, making farming more efficient and productive. Artificial intelligence-assisted robo-advisors reduce calculation times and provide accurate recommendations. AI chatbots have improved customer experience with insurance. This technology uses digital intelligence to detect and prevent fraudulent transactions, analyzing critical data elements to ensure security. AI has transformed supply chain management through predictive analytics and machine learning algorithms. It aids in shipping, packaging, sorting, and speedy delivery. These advancements streamline operations, making logistics more efficient and reliable for businesses and consumers alike. AI technology predicts customer behavior and patterns in the travel industry. AI chatbots are available 24 hours a day to assist customers and provide accurate answers. This has greatly improved the customer experience, making travel planning and booking more convenient and personalized. AI helps brokers make real estate deals more efficient and effective by providing strategic reasoning. Chatbots available 24 hours a day answer customer questions, enhancing the buying and selling process. Brokers can use AI to find potential customers looking to rent, buy, or sell properties. AI algorithms predict what users are most likely to watch based on their watch histories and activities. TV producers and broadcasters can understand customer interests and viewing times. AI is also used in storyboarding, creative content, digital effects, and engagement patterns, enriching the entertainment experience. Collaboration robots bring about a huge transformation, allowing humans to give and follow orders. AI detects potential production faults, predicts future issues, improves product quality, and allows for predictive maintenance. These capabilities enhance manufacturing efficiency and product reliability. Python has been the most popular choice for AI development due to its simplicity and extensive libraries. However, Golang is gaining traction for its speed, concurrency, and efficiency. Golang performs math calculations faster and supports concurrency using goroutines, making it a strong contender for AI applications. Golang is becoming the global standard for AI development. Its unique features and growing library support make it an excellent choice for creating next-gen enterprise solutions. Engage with Golang AI development to stay ahead of the competition and leverage the full potential of AI technology.